Welcome. Hi, it's Allie Rittenhouse, and in this tutorial today, I am going to show you how to set up an ad using the brand new custom audiences that you have just set up for your business. We are currently in the first page of creating an ad, and you want to select whatever type of ad you want to create. So if you're looking to send someone to an opt-in page, you're probably going to select traffic. If you're looking to get engagement on a post on Facebook, you're going to select the engagement, and so on and so forth. So deciding what is the result that you're looking for with this ad. We're going to go ahead and select traffic today for this demonstration, and then we're going to click continue. Now what you want to do is we're going to come down and we are going to find our custom audience. Now deciding what type of ad you are setting up and the people that you want to target. Now I have a webinar coming up, and so I want to target people that have already engaged with me and shown interest to get them to sign up for this webinar. So we're going to select the opt-in thank you page visits for 90 days. We're also going to select page engagement, Instagram engagement, as well as all web traffic for 180 days and anyone that has viewed my videos, because that's showing me that they are interested in my brand in some way, shape, or form. And I want to corral them in to this webinar to get them even more interested. If you are just targeting people in the United States, then you don't need to worry about anything else. You can kind of leave everything where it's at. But if you have a particular audience that is located in different countries, you are going to want to expand this. Okay, I believe that's the gist of most of my audience. I try to hit the bigger areas because this is an ad and it's hard to hit all of the countries. And then I also select women, and I'm going to narrow down my age range. And I'm also going to select English as the language because it's the only language that I currently am fluent in. And from there, that's about it. We're going to keep scrolling. We're going to set our budget at whatever you want it to be. I always leave the default because I figure Facebook knows a little better than what I do when you're first setting up an ad. And we're going to say, we're going to give this ad set a name of engagement, Facebook, Instagram, website, so that I know. And then we're going to click continue. And we're going to make sure that my Instagram is also selected. We're going to use a single image. Let's see if we have anything uploaded. Select this image. Once you have the image selected, you're going to scroll down and start working on the text of it. Usually, I would say have your text already planned out before you get to the step, because it will overwhelm you if you are trying to write an ad from this screen. So grab a piece of paper and write it all out before you get here of what you want to say. Okay, I've got everything filled out. Now, some insight into how to test your ad. You want to start with short copy, medium copy, and long copy. I would say this is kind of medium copy, and figure out what your audience responds to. So short copy would probably be somewhere around there, and long copy would be about 2 to 3 times this information in your ad. That's where you want to start out with, is testing out the small, medium, and large copy of the ad. From there, you want to test the images that go into the ad Once you know which ad copy everyone is responding to better, and then from there you can update the headline. So you want to start with your copy first, then your image, and then your headline down here. Now, if you just are getting started and you're not into testing right now, just do what feels best and have fun doing it. We are presenting this to people that have already showed engagement in your brand. So it's a little differently than showing up to a cold audience that has no idea who you are. So you want to fill out the text, you want to put in your URL, you want to give it a headline, and then you also want to give a news feed description for your ad. And you can see it all come to life right here in your preview. If something happens and you're updating over here and you don't see it updating over here, you can click the refresh. Once you have all of that completed, then you can come down here and say whether or not you want to track conversions. If you are sending people to a page off of Facebook, you absolutely want to track with the Facebook Pixel, because Facebook won't really be able to tell what's happening once they leave the Facebook interface. If you're using WordPress, there is a plugin that you can install, or lots of plugins that you can install. Find the one that has the best reviews and has been updated most recently to install the Facebook Pixel. And if you are using ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Squarespace, anything like that, there is going to be a section that you're going to want to copy and paste the code into. Once you have that installed, it does everything that you need it to. It will track everything that is happening. So just make sure that you have it turned on for this particular ad. As you can see, it wasn't turned on for me for this ad, even though I use it in every single ad. So just making sure that that is turned on before you click confirm to upload your ad. And it is now in review status and publishing itself. That was it. It's really simple to use these defined audiences once you have them set up. So have fun playing around with it. You're not really going to break it. Just make sure that your daily budget is set lower if you are playing around, so that you don't throw a bunch of money away. Maybe start with $5 a day. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. I'll see you in the next.